In 2030, the car that saves your life in a crash may never have been designed by a human. Think about that for a second. The next Ford, Chevrolet, or Tesla you drive could be created by artificial intelligence, not by teams of engineers spending years in design studios. Imagine stepping outside one morning and realizing every vehicle on American roads was designed by AI. The body shape, the battery layout, the crash protection around your family, even the seat you're sitting in, all created by machines that never sleep, never get tired, and can test millions of ideas in just hours. Sounds like science fiction? Maybe not, because the world's biggest automakers are already racing toward this future. And if current trends continue, the cars Americans drive by 2030 could be radically different from anything we know today. So what happens when artificial intelligence becomes America's biggest automotive designer? Let's find out. For more than 100 years, American cars were born in design studios. Engineers spent months, sometimes years, sketching, testing, and refining a single vehicle. But AI works differently. General Motors has already announced it is using generative AI to redesign vehicle components, aiming to dramatically reduce development time. Ford, Volkswagen, and other major automakers are moving in the same direction. Instead of one design at a time, AI can generate thousands, even millions of possibilities in hours. You simply give a command, like, build the safest, lightest, most fuel-efficient family SUV for American highways. Within minutes, it delivers thousands of solutions. Not one, not 10, thousands. Each one can be tested virtually. Crash safety, aerodynamics, efficiency, manufacturing cost, before a single prototype is built. In some cases, AI designed structures are already proving lighter, stronger, safer at the same time. The result is simple. Cars become lighter, stronger, cheaper, and potentially safer than anything on the road today. Now imagine something even more powerful. What if your car didn't just drive you? What if it knew you? The moment you approach, the seat adjusts automatically. The cabin temperature is already perfect. The mirrors shift into position. Even your navigation system already predicts your destination. But that's just the beginning. Future AI vehicles could continuously learn from your behavior. They could adjust suspension based on road conditions, optimize energy use based on your driving style, and even detect stress through voice patterns. If tension is detected, the car might soften the lighting, change the music, or suggest a calmer route. Now imagine driving home through a Colorado snowstorm, ice on the road, low visibility, your family in the back seat. Before you even notice the danger, the vehicle has already analyzed thousands of similar conditions. Suspension adjusts, traction responds, a safer route is recommended. The goal. Now let's talk about electric vehicles. One of the biggest concerns today is still range anxiety. Long trips, harsh winters, fear of getting stranded. But AI could completely change that equation. Artificial intelligence can analyze battery chemistry faster than any human team. It can simulate thousands of material combinations, detect weaknesses, and accelerate discoveries that once took years. Instead of testing a few ideas, AI can evaluate thousands simultaneously. Breakthroughs that used to take years could now happen in months. AI is also helping design lighter vehicles, and lighter vehicles mean higher efficiency. Higher efficiency means more range. More range means fewer charging stops. Some next-generation battery projects are already targeting ranges that once seemed impossible. AI is also exploring solar-integrated vehicle surfaces, allowing cars to generate small amounts of energy while parked or even driving. The result? Electric vehicles that could make today's gas cars feel outdated. But this future comes with complications, because technology doesn't just create opportunity, it also disrupts. Across the automotive industry, companies are already restructuring as AI and automation expand. Many traditional roles could shrink significantly over the next decade. Automotive engineers, designers, quality control teams, administrative staff, all potentially affected. But history shows something important. Technological revolutions don't just remove jobs, they create new industries. AI is expected to increase demand for software engineers, cybersecurity experts, robotic specialists, and autonomous vehicle technicians. The real question isn't whether jobs will change, it's whether workers can adapt fast enough. Now consider the risks. If millions of vehicles rely on similar AI systems, a single vulnerability could have massive consequences. One software flaw could affect not hundreds, but millions of cars. Cybersecurity becomes critical. Then there's privacy. AI vehicles collect vast amounts of data. Where you go, when you leave, how long you stay, even how you behave behind the wheel. This makes cars smarter, but it also raises difficult questions. Who owns this data? Who can access it? And how is it protected? Finally, there's creativity. If AI optimizes every design toward the same goals, will all cars start to look the same? Will something unique be lost? The character, the identity, the emotional design language of American cars. That question doesn't have an easy answer. So what if AI designed every car in America by 2030? We would likely see safer vehicles, smarter electric cars, lower production costs, and deeply personalized driving experiences. But also privacy concerns, cybersecurity risks, job disruption, and questions about human creativity. For over a century, Americans trusted human engineers to design their cars. By 2030, that trust may extend to algorithms. The benefits could be massive. Safer roads, smarter transport, and electric cars that outperform anything we drive today. But every technological leap comes with a price. The real question isn't whether AI can design the future. It's whether we're ready to live inside it. If you were offered a fully AI-designed car, safer, smarter, and cheaper than anything built by humans, would you buy it? Tell us in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and join us as we explore the future of everything. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.